Hi again, it's Debbie. Welcome to Sweet Thriftings. Now I know it's been a while and I'm very sorry. We've had things going on and it's just been crazy. I did manage to go and see my beautiful little 3-year-old granddaughter. We did celebrate her birthday when we were in Arizona. So we came back and I wanted to do a video there. A thrifting video, go to the thrift stores, but the thrift stores that my daughter took me to weren't, they weren't really good. I'm not going to name names. And there, I didn't see a Goodwill. We would have had to go down into Tucson if we wanted to get the good stuff. So now here I am again, and I've been thrifting. I went with my sister-in-law, my sis, a couple weeks ago, and I'm looking forward to her coming again, and we're going to hit another antique mall. She's looking for certain things and I'm looking for some stuff. For example, like how I segued, I want to show you this Wedgwood. Wedgwood's good. Wedgwood trinket dish, and it says Wedgwood. You can barely read it. I don't know if you can see it. I took a magnifying glass for me because, you know, my eyes stink. Nice piece. It's going to be listed hopefully today. I also picked up some Delft. Little container. It could be a ginger jar. And that's really nice too. It's usually Delft is blue and white, much like the Wedgwood here. I'm going to go here because I've got some stuff that is going to be listed. This one will go today. It's a beautiful orange candy dish. Look at that. It's so pretty. Art glass. And it has little whatever they call those. This is an Amberlina vase. It's very pretty. When it glows in the light, you can see all the colors, and it's a beautiful vase. I got these. Oh, that's very light. At a thrift store, I believe. The 3 canisters. It took a lot to clean them. This was at this was at a antique mall close to town, close to me, and I liked them, and for 20 bucks I cleaned them up, and we'll see how these will sell. It's going to be hard to sell, I mean to pack them, but hey, you know, that's what it is. I showed you a Westmoreland candy dish at one point, and it sold, and it's actually where it belongs. And I got another one, another Westmoreland candy dish with the grapes. I don't know if you can see the grapes on there. Yep. It's Westmoreland, so it's a good brand. I got a pair of elephants. They're not in the best, I mean they're great, they're not chipped or anything, but if you can see, if you can see the holes there, they're not, the paint has worn off on some of them, but people like elephants. I do too. My husband bought me one for Christmas. So
not a real one.
No, not a real one. It's sitting on the counter over there, because a real one would be kind of hard. We don't have a big enough backyard. All right. This is a Fenton vase, bowl vase with hobnail. Remember the hobnail motif, whatever you want to call it, with the ruffled edge. I overpaid for this, but we'll see how it does when it sells. I might do an auction on that one. I'm trying to think, what else did I want to show you? I wanted to show you so much stuff. And oh, one thing, don't look on my desk. This is it's not marked, but it's Fostoria. And they're really nicely made sugar and creamer. So these actually, I don't know why they're here. They're on my desk, but they belong there. And those of you who know me know I love cats. And I think I showed you these. Maybe. You probably don't remember. It's been a while. I have 2 of these. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with them. They are GOPRO, another designer. GOPRO makes nice stuff, but it was expensive. So I'm not sure where he's going to go, or she. I don't know. And then there were a couple things I want to show you on my listed. These are all listed things. What did I art glass. I want to say it's Fenton, but I don't think so. There is a mark that you can feel you can't see it, as opposed to see. But it's really nice, and this is listed. And I can't say it's Fenton, although I think it is. Now this caught my eye. It's made in England. It is also, sorry, I think it's Wedgwood. Anyway, look at this. Look how gorgeous this is. Beautiful, beautiful creamer picture, whatever you want to call it. It is gorgeous. And this is listed. I almost wanted to keep it, but I did buy it for sale. And I don't know, is this upside down? Can you read that? What does it say? Is it Wedgwood?
It's upside down.
I asked you if it was upside down.
Yes, Wedgwood.
Yeah, Wedgwood, I thought so. Sorry guys, but
my fault.
Listed. And oh, this is new. This is a fan vase, and it's very cool. They're popular, and again, we have some. It looks like hobnail, but I think it might be English hobnail because they're more diamond shaped as opposed to round, and they're in beautiful shape. I'm not sure if it's Wedgwood, but because it's not marked, but it's a really nice vase. Listed again. Again, these are all listed. All right. I wish there was. Hang on. This beautiful tea and saucer set from Consort. It is from England. It is beautiful. Look at that. It is gorgeous with the gold rim around. It is so pretty. So that's for sale. I have a lot of stuff that's for sale that really hasn't seen any interest. I have plates that are gonna go. This is a it's not marked. This is a heavy teapot. I wouldn't use it. It's clean. It's clean inside, and it's so beautiful. It's so decorative. You have a lion here and here embossed, and it's really nice. I like it a lot. But it's I had this sold, and I don't remember if it's still for sale, but I gotta get it back up. Sometimes I'll take things off the market, and then when people forget about it, I put it back on and see if it sells. And I've had a few things that did sell. It just depends. It's a game of numbers, and it's whoever. Another sugar bowl with a lid this time and a creamer, pink depression glass, and it has a really cute little design on it. So that's all already for sale too. Yeah, push it back. It's hard to when there's so much stuff that you have. I have a teapot. Japanese, sorry. Asian. And I have 4 teacups to go with it. I don't even know, is this listed? I'm gonna have to check on this one. And of course, I have another candy dish here, or a compote, whatever you want to call it. And it's really pretty, and it has frosted glass decorations. It's really a nice piece. That was antique mall. Now, I was in a vintage store and I saw, Otagari. And they are salt and pepper shakers. And I think they're really cute, but they're thinner than I thought. But they both say Otagari, so, which is, again, another designer. And we're showing you these. It's a team effort. So these are listed. It took me a while to get that listed. I wasn't sure what I should do with it. And I still have my Hawaii earrings. I sold the other pair of earrings. These are rose gold hoop earrings, never been worn, but I mean, that's, yeah. These just haven't sold. The other earrings sold pretty fast, and I just don't know why they've, I don't know, these haven't sold. I don't know why. I don't think it's the price. All right, so where did that, what, this? Oh, this girl, her partner had a broken leg. So she's a shelf sitter. Look, she'll sit like that. And I'm sure that's what happened to her boyfriend. But I might still try to sell her. So we're going to put her over here for now. And we're back here. I have a shoe made in New York. The Metropolitan Museum of Art. It's probably their gift shop. But it's a glass slipper in blue. There's a lot of these running around. Not these particular ones, but a lot of, I have white ones, and I don't know what I'm going to do with them. Okay, so that's all I wanted to show you today, except I think I showed you this before, this gallery gold star trinket dish. It's really pretty. That will go eventually. Okay, so in conclusion, I want to thank you for watching this. Please like and subscribe. And I will not be 2 months until my next one. So please keep checking. Leave a comment. I would like that. And I will see you next time. Bye-bye.